steak. I love steak. And how do you do the ultimate steak on the grill? Hi, I'm Nica Waters and welcome to Tasty Thursday. We're doing the ultimate steak on the grill, which as you might imagine, is pretty darn simple. It's 4 ingredients when you count the steak. And I'm looking at cumin, I'm looking at salt, and I'm looking at pepper. This is enough for 4 people, and I'm taking a really good pinch of cumin, and I'm just sprinkling it on top. That's probably about between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon apiece. And then I'm gonna just do 1, 2, 3, and then 3 good grinds, or 4 good grinds of pepper on each. And then I'm gonna flip it over, keeping this hand sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. That needs a little bit more because, you know, who doesn't love cumin? A little salt, a little pepper. I'm gonna rub this and let it sit probably for about a half an hour while I'm getting the rest of dinner ready. Ooh, without burning yourself. Fire it up, make it soup. Yum. Out to the grill. Sizzle just like that. Oh, how pretty that looks. Yum. Perfect, perfect. Look at that grilling. Yum! And then there's the eating of it. So there you have it. The ultimate rub for the most delicious steak ever. Happy, happy, tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like, tag a friend who thinks you see it. Share it with somebody who loves these simple rubs and delicious ways of making something on the grill even tastier. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most delicious week. Done. Look at the pretty moon. Very, very pretty moon.